Once you have taken your very first notes in Notability, it's safe to have them saved in another location. In order to do so, you'll have to either back them up in a shared folder, or you can back them up in iCloud. Go to Settings, and then you have the Auto Backup setting. Connect one of these folders. You can see from Manage Accounts section that I have Dropbox already connected, but none of the other services are connected, meaning that when I do the auto backup on my files, they will be saved to Dropbox. In Dropbox settings, decide the destination and which of the subjects you want to back up. The second option is to use iCloud, so you'll just have to tap and sync your notes in iCloud, tap to activate, and you will be able to back up your notes.